get unready with me after school. And then also do a get ready with me for bed. But this is a get unready with me. So let's get unready. I'm gonna do some skincare to just rejuvenate my skin after this long day. And I'm gonna do some of these. Okay, so I just got this big thing on my cellar because I only had the mini ones. I had 2 mini ones. I ran out of them, so I finally got a big one. And then hold up. I gotta go grab cotton swabs for my mom. I'm also gonna do this. I'm gonna talk about what happened today. On the bus, I sat next to this guy named Will. I don't know if he has YouTube. If you're saying this, Will, I know. You said blah, blah, blah. I didn't do that. Blah, blah, blah. I didn't say that. You told it to me. You dumbass. Anyways. Yeah. So I sat next to him. And you want to know what I did? I spoke Spanish. And rage baited him. And he's like, what? And I was like, hold up. Quiero un vaso de jugo. Yo soy Jimmy. And he was like, I don't get it. And I was like, yeah. Anyways, it was funny. Me and my friend confronted him. And he denied it. I'm gonna come back one day. Yeah, so, yeah, that was funny. I'm gonna do a jet lag mask, jet lag, hydration mist, and then the serum, also jet lag. And then I'm gonna do this Glow Recipe, it's toner. The friend's name was Rosie, but now we're gonna do these. Plus change my outfit. I do this and some hand sanitizer. Put some pimple patches on, but that's it. I'm good to go. Bye. I'm gonna go swing. I'm also gonna put Crocs on, but